Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Counter-Strike 2 error code 126 with simple and effective steps. This error usually appears due to missing or damaged system files or DLL issues. First, open Steam, go to your library, right-click Counter-Strike 2, select Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files to repair anything broken. Next, update your Windows to the latest version because outdated system files can trigger this error. After that, install or repair Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables and DirectX, as these are required for the game to run properly. Also, make sure your graphics drivers are fully updated to avoid compatibility issues. If the problem still continues, try reinstalling the game completely to replace any missing files. Follow these steps carefully and error code 126 should be fixed easily. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.